my channel, it's Therese here, and for today's video I have an unboxing for you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. My lovely cousin Candy has sent me a package all the way from Australia. Well, they're kind of like our neighbours Australia, but I'm so freaking excited because, oh, I'm just so excited. Like, I've been talking to her and like, it's so cool seeing your family like create amazing businesses and stuff. So what's in this package is some earrings that she's been making with her daughter for her business, PrettyCritter. You can follow them on Instagram down below and I will link them and show some shots here. Like, look at these, look at all the things that are in here. Like, oh my gosh, these guys are amazing. I'm just like, all the things they put out, they're just so freaking cute. I love little like dangly earrings and stuff. At the moment I'm just wearing kind of simple earrings, but I literally have piercings all the way up in my ears. Like, my entire ears have piercings in them. So if I can fill them up with as many cute jewelry as I can, I'm gonna do that. So I'm unbagging some items that she sent me from her store. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in here, no idea, but she wanted to send this to me when my lovely dearest Ralphie and Willow passed away last year, and she wanted to send me something to cheer me up. Postage has been crazy and life has been crazy, so I finally gotten it now, but that's fine. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Like, I'm just like, thank you. This means a lot to me, especially for the reason why I'm getting it as well. So makes me happy. All right, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So what is this? Look, it's a scarf. Oh my god, the little PrettyCritter stickers. Like, look at the sticker. That is so cute. Oh, I want to keep that sticker. It's such a cute sticker. You can go there on my sticker wall now. There we go. You can go there. Alright, so I have a feeling this is a scarf and I am living for it. The skulls, the like mesh material. I remember wearing like the mesh kind of material scarves with all the rage like back in the early 2000s. So I'm like, yes, I'm ready. Let me live the fantasy. Yes. Oh my god, it's so nice. Look at the quality of that. Oh my gosh, that is just like, yes. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. This is gonna go so well, like, you know, going to a gig or something like that. Like, you know, you just want to be a little bit more edgy. Like, ooh, I'm totally wearing the wrong kind of colors for it today. I went for a kind of choopy yellow, and I'm like, oh, I should have gone for dark and dreary because that is my vibe. All right, so let's open these ones up. So I have no idea what's in this one. Okay. She's really bubble wrapped there. Like, she did not want this to break. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Yee! Oh, there we go. I was like, do I have to cut this open? I don't want to break it. I wonder what's inside. Oh my gosh. She's still wrapped. All right. This is really cute. Like, look at this packaging. It's so cute. Honestly, you guys, if you guys want any novelty earrings or anything, you guys need to go to the store right now and buy stuff. Like, are you there? Are you there? Because you need to be. Oh my god, it's like past the pump. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Oh! He's a little kitty bear! Oh my god. Okay. I'm excited. Alright. I love these little organza bags. Oh my god. Okay. Look at these like gummy bears. They are like, oh my god, they've got little glitter in them. Look at the glitter. The glitter, the iridescent. Oh my gosh. These are literally so gorgeous. These are so cute. Okay, going to a gig, going to a rave. These are gonna match my pants. Oh my god, this is the perfect little earrings. I love them. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, they're literally so adorable. I need to put this bag down here. They're literally so adorable. I love the little PrettyCritter stickers as well. And then these ones, they're little controllers. Oh my god, gamer girl. Oh my god, those are so freaking cute. The little love hearts. Oh, the baby pink. Oh my gosh, those one look so cute. I love these. What do you guys think? They're adorable. Oh my god. And there's more things in here. Like, what? This is a key ring. I'm living for this. This is literally so freaking cute. Look at the little Care Bear. Oh my god. I love that. You could also wear that as an earring if you wanted, or like a really crazy septum. Like, hey, I'm here. I'm ready for a party. That is so cute. I love her. She's going on my keys. And then what have we got here? Oh my gosh, look at these. All right, we've got little tiny little clips. Look at these little clips with the cats on them. These are so cute. The little ginger cat and the black cat and the little, oh my god. Yeah, this is so adorable. All right, and then we've got this here. This, what does it say on here? Oh, also, the Thecwordtattoo, you guys need to follow her. My lovely cousin is a tattoo artist. She has knocked out some amazing tattoos. When we can finally go back to Australia, honey, stab me. Right, let's open these up. Excited to see what's in here. I'm just a bubble wrap girl. You did a good job. Let's open these ones. It's so well packaged. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh wow. Oh my god. How many things are in here? Oh my god, the little glitter that's coming out. That's so cute. That's so pretty. Okay. There's a lot of things in here. I am very spoilt. Thank you, Candy. I am, wow. Okay. Oh, I'm throwing things. I love all of this packaging. This is so sweet. It's like Christmas. I love it. All right, what have we got here? Okay, what is this? This is a big one, a big kahuna. Got here. Ooh. Oh my god, are these earrings? Oh my fucking god. Okay, I know I was talking about rave earrings before and about how those ones would be really good for raves. I found my new favorite one for raves. These are the earrings. That's it. You cannot convince me that I am not going to wear these out. Maybe every day, but to a rave, 100%. These are fucking awesome. You guys need your novelty earrings. You know where to go. And then we've got, oh my god, some little baby pink gummy bears. This is when she's feeling like a lighter moment. I feel like these are gonna suit very well today. And today's vibe. The cute little baby gummy bears. I love that. Oh, I'm gonna have to wear them. Right, quick. Changing my earrings now. Putting them on. I'm not looking around. Bye, earrings. Getting you on my ears because I need you. You're so cute. Okay. Oh my god, they're perfect. What do you guys think? Obsessed. I love them. I can't believe she makes all of these. Like, I literally can't get over that. It's just like, they're so cute. They're so cute. All right. What have we got in here? Let's see. I'm excited. Oh, stop. No. Okay. This bitch knows that I love to party, I guess, because these are freaking what the hell. These, I might cry. I literally might shed a tear. These are so cute. Look at them. Oh my god, these are so cute. I love them. Oh my god, stop. And then these, and then these. Okay, look at the masterpieces of these. Look at these. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. And I love the little patterns on them. Like, they've got little tiny, like, look at the details. You guys need to go over to my Instagram and you'll see, or literally post about all these, so you can see them a bit more in detail. And you can, like, not have to pause the video to look. So literally, you go onto my Instagram now and you'll see. But, all right, let's open these up. Oh! Oh my god, I see cute bears. Oh my god, all the glitter everywhere though. I'm living for it. I love that. I really do need a thesaurus because I don't have many describing words. When I'm getting excited, it's just oh my god, and that's so cute comes out. That's literally it. That's all that comes out. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I don't even know like how to pull them out. This is a lot as well, by the way. Honestly, this is just amazing. Okay, pull these little Care Bears out. Ew. Just some of the glitter of you guys. Oh my god, these guys are so cute. Look at them. I feel like the glitter is just part of their aesthetic now, so I'm not even gonna wipe it off. Like, look, they are so cute. These little tiny little gummy Care Bears, they're so cute. I love them. Look. They are so adorable. Oh my god. Such a cute little pack. heck? All right, and then we'll go on to these ones. All right, what do we have here? Oh my God, little like ice creams. What the hell? These are so cute. These are so cute. And bitch, she loves her food. So I'm like, these are adorable. I kind of want to wear one now. Like, these are iconic and these are more iconic. Like, these are just, she loves these. There's just so many here. Alright, what have we got here? Little dinosaurs. Oh my God. It's the dinosaurs. Oh my God. I literally love dinosaurs. These are so cute. I saw on her Instagram with her making these, and honestly, these turned out so good, Candy. What the hell? These are so cute. I love the little stegosauruses. It's the one tattoo I don't have is a stegosaurus on my body. I feel like I'm gonna need a stegosaurus now. In honor of this, I need a stegosaurus. That is literally so cute. All right, last but not least, what have we got? What have we got? Oh my God, it's Triceratops. It's Triceratops. Oh my God, more dinosaurs. These are so cute. They're done with pink and blue, literally matching my nails. Okay, this was Destiny. Wow. That's crazy. Literally matching my nails. Like, look at the little dinosaurs. Oh my God. I'm so obsessed. These are so cute. Honestly, thank you so much. This is so freaking cute. Like, oh my God. Thank you. Like, this is so nice. This is crazy. Like, honestly, this is gonna fuel my earring addiction for the rest of my life. Like, I don't need any other earrings ever because nothing's ever gonna be good enough compared to these. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I just thank you so much. I'm so spoiled. Thank you guys, and everyone that is watching, if you haven't already, gone to PrettyCritter, brought a whole bunch of stuff. I'm gonna come for you. Like, you need to come, buy a whole bunch of this stuff, go support their business. Like, PrettyCritter is an amazing business. You know, mother-daughter team, like, you literally cannot go wrong with that. Australian made, perfection, perfect. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, but thank you so much. Again, oh my God, I can't wait to put all these. I need more holes in my ears to literally put all these in. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you later, bye.